Working on this LS stuff here for my wife's car since the Vortec motor took a dump about a month ago. Watching some at-home cleaning stuff on different channels and everything, and kind of come up with my own. Did this head yesterday. Soaked it about a half hour on top and bottom, maybe 40 minutes. Still got some cleaning to do inside the ports. I'll probably just maybe take a torch and heat that stuff up to where it kind of crumbles. But even for all the combustion chambers and everything, it cleaned it up pretty quick. If you look at the insides here, where usually the oil gets all baked and yellow, this is how it looked when we started on it. It was pretty crusty. Insides are all kind of nasty and carboned up and greasy and all that stuff. But all I did was I went to Menards and I bought 4 gallons of this mean green super strength and put it in the bucket here, threw the head in there and then threw the 4 gallons in, and as it soaked a little bit, I just took a cleaning brush and started dabbing it in there and cleaning it, and it actually cleaned up pretty good. So my next step is going to be easy off oven cleaner all in through the ports and everything and pressure wash it, and we'll see how it all turns out.